how to create an unforgettable video experience. In this chapter, we will show you how to resharpen your video communication efforts within your business and take it to the next level. You're the captain and director of your story. Show your viewers what you're all about. Let's get started. Translate your video. Create multi-language video content, an incredible way to drastically reduce understanding barriers right away. Transcribe your video. Save hours in writing down and syncing up your recorded videos. You should be focused on creating relevant messages to your customers instead of using up time to type out your videos again and again. Add captions. 85% of videos on social media platforms are watched with the sound off. Adding subtitles means reaching a much wider audience and speeding up content consumption. Videos in every language. Automatically present your videos in your viewer's native language. No need to individually edit every video for every language on your website. Just one code to paste and you're ready to go. Create a video. Don't have any content? No problem. Create a video from scratch, template, or upload a video you already have and edit it to your liking. You have no excuses not to get started. Record yourself. Build personal branding with video. Express yourself as a leading expert in your industry. Record your message, cold video, or a follow-up and build strong customer loyalty. Create a video from Google Slides. Accelerate the video creation process. Turn your Google Slides presentations into an interactive video within seconds. Capture your audience at every meeting, demo, and beyond. Run video presentations. Stop switching between tabs during your presentations. Embed videos, your favorite social media channel, or website to your live video presentation and awe your audience at every level. Make your videos interactive. Take control over your video's appearance. Use photos, videos, even text to build rapport with your audience. Add buttons, pop-ups, hotspots, and make your video clickable. Design interactive video pathways. Immerse your customers in your story. Create interactive video pathways to automate information and workflows about your business products or services. Educate and inspire on the go. Analyze video clickstreams. Find out which path is helping viewers make their decisions in your videos. Measure each click taken by your clients, time they watched a certain product, as well as dropouts. Analyze video metrics, full analytics, from play rate to time spent on a video and beyond. Keep track of your content and re-strategize quickly. Track your audience. Connect Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and Facebook Pixel to analyze events and viewer engagement. Build audiences to retarget on your favorite social media channels. Generate ads. Drive traffic to your content effortlessly. Save time by reframing your social media content. Adjust your videos on the fly and share them immediately, leaving more time to build your business. Sell directly from your videos. Capture leads, show products, embed a shopping cart into your videos, and get your customers to the checkout page in seconds. Social media in your video. Pleasantly surprise your followers and embed your hottest social media videos and posts within your interactive videos. Engage your audience on all of your favorite social media channels in an innovative way that's both fun and highly effective. Menu in your video. Add chapters to your video to split your message. With a menu feature, you will extend the attention span of your viewers and stop losing customer interest by seamlessly redirecting attention to the customer's needs. Images as an interactive video. Give new life to your static images. Enhance them with interactive elements and make them pop out. Feel free to add buttons, pop-ups, music, voiceovers, animated text, and more. Video SEO. Rank higher in Google Search, Bing, and beyond. This is an amazing opportunity to be found by your customers on their favorite search engines while engaging them in a fun and creative way. Personalize video. Grab attention on the spot. Personalize the one-on-one experience for every customer by enriching your videos with their first name, company, price, and more. Engage your customers on a personal level and build strong loyalty within your base. Generate videos on the fly. Personalized video in 5 seconds? You read that correctly. Generate new videos just by altering the chosen field in a form. Save time for sales reps tenfold and reach maximum customers quickly. Personalize video at scale. Treat everyone special and invite your customers into a one-of-a-kind video experience. Personalize each interaction to increase sales on a global front. Give your customers what they want, when they want it, while growing your business.